Whether it's interior tank linings, exterior mild steel vessels, concrete floors, structural steel painting, restoration and remediation, or complete sterile rooms, RHI continues to deliver the highest quality and workmanship in industrial coatings and media blasting. Leaders in our industry, Hartrick Incorporated specializes in applications of tank linings and sanitary coatings. RHI continues to have strong client relationships in the brewery, distillery, wineries, malting, food and beverage, and pharmaceutical industries. Successfully providing customers with an entire project management approach and worldwide mobilizing capabilities, RHI boasts 65 years experience. Our highly trained, skilled trades workers follow RHI company standards of producing the highest quality workmanship, along with using many of the elite suppliers and coating systems on the market. Hartrick Incorporated provides a seamless, quality-assured experience. The Hartrick philosophy. In 1957, Hartrick believed the key to long customer relationships and the longevity of a successful company was to provide customers with the highest quality workmanship and exceeding customer expectations with exceptional customer service. 3 generations later, these business practices still remain. Leaders in tank linings. As an educator and specialist in our industry, we aid many of our customers with answers to their corrosion concerns, tailor solutions to meet their every need, and problem solve quickly. Specializing in applications of tank linings and sanitary coatings for over 40 years, RHI has the experience and knowledge to provide our customers with solutions that work. Latest technology, highly qualified crew, meet project deadlines, customer satisfaction. Hartrick Incorporated, leaders in remediation and applications of tank linings and sanitary coatings.